guys. Magkain tayo ng migraine. Dinner ko na to guys. Tapos mamayang gabi, kain na lang ng prutas. Oops. Yun. Halo-halo lang siya guys. Ihalo-halo. Look at the eggs. And then look at the eggs. Tapos look at the eggs. So i-open natin. Ayan ang eggs. Yun, eggs. Ooh, lala.